It's a 2018 Cadillac ATS. Just the right size with a sporty mind and athletic prowess. It's made for excellent handling with a lightweight frame, aerodynamics, and premium ZF electric steering with variable assist. There is no cutting corners on safety. You're covered by StabiliTrak, all-speed traction control, and the ultra-high strength steel safety cage. Everyday comfort is yours with dual-zone climate control and the conveniences of keyless access and OnStar with 4G LTE. This ATS is the right choice for excellence in luxury and performance. Come in for a test drive. Here's a 2018 Cadillac ATS. This vehicle was built around that feeling you get when the stars align and all your dreams come true. Inject your drive with relevant sophistication using dual-zone climate control and OnStar with 4G LTE. This powerful and refined vehicle offers top-notch handling with the premium ZF electric steering with variable assist and non-stop safety with StabiliTrak and all-speed traction control. A distinctive look with performance that's just as impressive. Get a feel for this ATS today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.